When you're investing in a projector for a professional space, the expectations are different. It's not just about getting a big image. It's about reliability, clarity, brightness, and long-term performance. The Epson PowerLite L690U is built exactly for that level of demand. This is a laser-powered projector designed for environments where performance cannot drop. Think corporate boardrooms, university lecture halls, training centers, worship spaces, and large meeting rooms. Right away, the 6,500 lumens brightness rating tells you this machine is built for well-lit spaces. You don't have to shut off every light in the room just to see your presentation. Even with overhead lighting or natural daylight, the image remains strong and readable. The resolution here is WUXGA at 1920 by 1200. That 16:10 aspect ratio offers more vertical viewing space than standard Full HD. In practical use, that means spreadsheets, detailed documents, dashboards, and multi-window presentations feel more natural and less cramped. You see more information at once. It also supports 21:9 ultra-wide content, which is perfect for panoramic presentations or immersive media playback in larger venues. Color performance is driven by 3 LCD technology. What that means in real-world terms is balanced brightness across both white and color output. Some projectors advertise high brightness numbers but sacrifice color intensity. That's not the case here. Colors stay vivid and consistent, which is especially important for brand presentations, marketing visuals, and video playback. Contrast performance reaches up to 5:0:0:0:0:0 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio. That translates into deeper blacks and better shadow detail. When showing video clips or detailed imagery, you get a sense of depth instead of a flat, washed-out picture. Dark scenes maintain clarity, and highlights remain crisp. One of the biggest advantages of this projector is the laser light source. With up to 20,000 hours of operation in normal mode, it significantly reduces maintenance concerns. Traditional lamp replacements can interrupt workflow and add cost over time. Here, you're getting years of dependable performance without frequent servicing. For schools and businesses running daily presentations, that's a major benefit. Connectivity is modern and flexible. HDMI ensures high-quality digital input from laptops and media devices. USB expands compatibility. RJ45 network connectivity allows integration into centralized management systems, making it easier for IT teams to monitor and control multiple units. Built-in wireless LAN support enables cable-free presentations, adding convenience in collaborative environments. Installation flexibility is another strong point. As a standard throw projector, it adapts well to various room sizes. Ceiling mounting is straightforward, and front projection setups are easy to configure. Lens adjustments help fine-tune alignment without physically relocating the unit multiple times. That makes setup efficient and professional. Another important factor is consistency. Laser projectors maintain brightness levels over time more effectively than traditional lamp systems. Combined with efficient cooling and quiet operation, this projector blends into the environment without becoming a distraction. In training sessions or executive meetings, that subtle reliability makes a difference. This isn't a casual entertainment projector. It's designed for serious presentation work and long-term institutional use. If your goal is to create a professional display environment that looks sharp, vibrant, and dependable every single day, this projector delivers exactly that. If you're ready to elevate your workspace, classroom, or large presentation area, check the link in the description to explore more details and pricing options.